When you get your new iPad and you get it set up, make sure you go back into your settings, go back into that top left-hand corner, and make sure that if you're not signed in, you now sign into that same Apple ID that you were signed into before. So that way, all of your data is now available to you. When you get to Notability and you want your data to come back, because right now you might have no files in there, if you select that gear again, and under iCloud, you push that lever over, you're gonna find that all of your folders, all of your dividers, and all of your assignments are going to download over time. It's gonna take some time, but it will download back and everything will be set. If you chose only to back up to your Google Drive, what you're gonna need to do in this case is that at this main screen, notice in the upper right-hand corner, there's a box with an arrow in. You're gonna select that box, you're gonna go to wherever your choice was for your backup, and you're gonna hit Google Drive. Now in your Google Drive, notice that under this backup, notice where it says Google Drive settings, my destination says Notability. That's the name of the folder that my files can be found in my Google Drive. So I'm going to hit that box with the arrow going in. I'm going to select Google Drive. I'm going to search all of my files in my Google Drive for Notability. And now in here, I would want to select Import All. And that should restore all your files. Hopefully you do not have to do them one at a time. Hopefully you can just do import all. You might have to go into a specific file and then hit import all and go file by file, import all, but all of your documents are there and can be brought back into Notability.